Perm, and Molotov. With a population of over 1 million residents, Perm is the 14th largest city in Russia, and the 5th largest city in the Volga Federal District. In 1723, a copper smelting works was founded at the village of Yagoshikha. In 1781 the settlement of Yagoshikha became the town of Perm. Perm's position on the navigable Kama River, leading to the Volga, and on the Siberian route across the Ural Mountains helped it become an important trade and manufacturing center. It also lay along the Trans-Siberian Railway. Perm grew considerably as industrialization proceeded in the Urals during the Soviet period, and in 1940 was named Molotov in honor of Vyacheslav Molotov. In 1957 the city returned to its historical name. Modern Perm is still a major railway hub and one of the chief industrial centers of the Urals region. The city's diversified metallurgical and engineering industries produce equipment and machine tools for the petroleum and coal industries, as well as agricultural machinery. A major petroleum refinery uses oil transported by pipeline from the West Siberian oil fields. And the city's large chemical industry makes fertilizer and dyes. The city's institutions of higher education include the Perm Am Gorky State University, founded in 1916. The name Perm is of Uralic etymology. Komi is a member of the Permuk branch of the Uralic languages, which is also named for Perm. In Finnish and Wepsian Perama means faraway land. Similarly, in Hungarian Perem means edge or verge. The geologic period of the Permian takes its name from the toponym. The city is located on the bank of the Kama River upon hilly terrain. The Kama is the main tributary of the Volga River and is one of the deepest and most picturesque rivers of Russia. This river is the waterway which grants the Ural Mountains access to the White Sea, Baltic Sea, Sea of Azov, Black Sea, and Caspian Sea. The Kama divides the city into two parts, the central part and the right bank part. The city stretches for 70 kilometers along the Kama and 40 kilometers across it. The city street grid parallels the Kama River, traveling generally east-west, while other main streets run perpendicularly to those following the river. The grid pattern accommodates the hills of the city where it crosses them. Another distinguishing feature of the city's relief is the large number of small rivers and brooks. The largest of them are the Mulyanka, the Yegoshikha, the Motovalikha, and the Gayava. Perm has a continental climate with warm summers and long, cold winters. Perm is located in the old Permiak area. Perm was first mentioned as the village of Yagoshikha in 1647. However, the history of the modern city of Perm starts with the development of the Ural region by Tsar Peter the Great. Vasily Tatishchev, appointed by the Tsar as a chief manager of Ural factories, founded Perm together with another major center of the Ural region, Yekaterinburg. In the 19th century, Perm became a major trade and industrial center with a population of more than 20,000 people in the 1860s, with several metallurgy, paper, and steamboat producing factories, including one owned by a British entrepreneur. In 1870, an opera theatre was opened in the city, and in 1871 the first phosphoric factory in Russia was built. In 1916, Perm State University, a major educational institution in modern Russia, was opened. After the outbreak of the Russian Civil War, Perm became a prime target for both sides because of its military munitions factories. On December 25, 1918, the Siberian White Army under Anatoly Pepelyayev took Perm. On July 1, 1919, the city was retaken by the Red Army. General view of city of Perm. General view of the city of Perm from Gorodskiye Gorky Razgulye. Outskirts of the city of Perm. Mary Magdalene Church of the city Perm. Summertime location of the exchange in the city Perm. Prakudin Goski. Starosibirskaya Gate in the city of Perm. Kama River near Perm. The bridge still stands today, but another similar bridge has been built alongside it. Both are painted white. Headquarters of the Ural Railway Administration in the city of Perm in the 1930s. Perm grew as a major industrial city with aviation, shipbuilding, and chemical factories built during that period. During the Great Patriotic War, Perm was a vital center of artillery production in the Soviet Union. During the Cold War, Perm became a closed city. The city is a major administrative, industrial, scientific, and cultural center. The leading industries include machinery, defense, oil production, oil refining, chemical and petrochemical, timber and wood processing, and the food industry. On the 20th of September 2021, a mass shooting occurred at Perm State University, resulting in 6 fatalities and dozens of injuries. Perm is the administrative center of the KRAIN. Within the framework of administrative divisions, it also serves as the administrative center of Permsky district, even though it is not a part of